Welcome back. First of all, thank you for joining me again. Now we starting a today discussion asterisk. What if I told you that one of the most potent health tools available costs less than a cup of coffee and might be sitting unnoticed in your kitchen cabinet? Most of us recognize baking soda for helping cookies rise or tackling tough stains, but that's merely the beginning. For many, its journey stops there. Today, we're exploring the research-backed revelations of baking soda findings that show how this humble white powder can influence everything from oral hygiene to athletic endurance. And even your organ function. This is knowledge that only a small fraction of people truly grasp. And this isn't just old-fashioned advice. We'll delve into what current scientific studies are revealing about its remarkable and sometimes unexpected uses. So, what exactly gives baking soda its edge? In a word, balance. Our bodies function most efficiently within a very narrow pH spectrum. Imagine it, like the precise temperature of a perfect shower, too warm or too cool. And it becomes uncomfortable or ineffective. When areas of our body, like the bloodstream or mouth, shift toward acidity, complications start to emerge. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate in scientific terms, is a naturally alkaline compound. Its standout quality is its ability to neutralize excess acid, helping restore systems toward optimal equilibrium. That one function unlocks all the astonishing benefits we're about to explore. Let's begin with oral care. We've all had the sharp sting of a canker sore. These often thrive in acidic conditions. By reducing mouth acidity, baking soda may ease discomfort, calm inflammation, and support quicker recovery. It can also counteract the acid-based compounds that lead to bad breath. To use it effectively, mix half a teaspoon into a half glass of warm water, swish for 30 seconds, and spit out, don't swallow. Keep in mind, while this is fine, occasionally, persistent bad breath or repeated sores could signal deeper issues that require a dentist's evaluation. Next, for soothing skin issues. Whether it's a mosquito bite or a bee sting, that itching and burning sensation often comes from acidic substances under the skin. Thanks to its alkalinity, baking soda may provide relief. Mix 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water to make a paste, then apply to the area. It can neutralize irritants and deliver a cooling effect. But remember, this is only for minor skin reactions. If you notice signs of a serious allergic reaction, such as difficulty breathing or widespread swelling, seek emergency care immediately. Third, let's talk digestion. The burning feeling of acid reflux or heartburn is often due to stomach acid going where it shouldn't. Occasionally, baking soda can offer fast relief by directly reducing stomach acidity. To try this, dissolve no more than half a teaspoon in a full glass of water and drink slowly. However, this should not be a routine fix. If you suffer from regular heartburn, consult a medical professional to investigate the cause. Overusing baking soda may disturb your natural acid balance and electrolytes. Fourth, enhancing physical performance. When you're deep into a workout and your muscles begin to burn, it's often due to lactic acid buildup, which creates acidity in the muscles. Research has found that using baking soda before strenuous activity might delay fatigue by buffering this acid. If you're interested, try a small amount. Around 1/4 teaspoon in a large glass of water 60 to 90 minutes before your workout. But be cautious. It may cause digestive upset in some people. Always start small and stay hydrated. This technique is for serious athletes and it's best discussed with a professional. Now, while we're on the topic of restoring vitality, particularly for men, many have concerns about declining energy or performance. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Before turning to questionable treatments, there's a natural, easy remedy that takes just a few seconds daily. It targets the actual root cause of male performance problems and is aimed at restoring energy and confidence. A QR code is available for more details. Just scan it with your phone or check the pinned comment below this video for a direct link. Returning to our list, the fifth use is for easing joint pain. This is where the science gets especially intriguing. Ongoing inflammation contributes heavily to discomfort and issues like rheumatoid arthritis. New research suggests that a baking soda solution might trigger the body to adopt a more anti-inflammatory state. Specifically, it may encourage immune cells to shift away from promoting inflammation. One common method in studies involves dissolving half a teaspoon in water daily. However, this must not be done without medical approval. Sodium can raise blood pressure, and doctor guidance is essential before beginning any regular use. Sixth, supporting kidney health. This is a serious and delicate area. For individuals with chronic kidney disease, acid can build up in the blood, a condition called metabolic acidosis, worsening kidney function. Studies suggest that sodium bicarbonate therapy may help balance pH and slow the disease's progress. However, this should never be attempted without a physician's supervision. A nephrologist or primary care provider must closely monitor your health. Self-treating with baking soda in this case can be extremely hazardous. Seventh, as a natural alternative to deodorant. Sweat itself isn't the issue. It's the bacteria that break it down into acidic components that cause odor. Baking soda tackles this by neutralizing the acids and reducing bacterial growth. To use, make a paste with baking soda and a little water or coconut oil, and apply a light layer to your underarms. People with sensitive skin should test a small patch before full application. As irritation as possible, before we wrap up, let's remember a few essential rules for using baking soda wisely. First, always consult your doctor before introducing new routines, especially if you're pregnant or dealing with health conditions like heart problems, high blood pressure, or kidney issues. Second, baking soda is a supplementary aid, not a replacement for professional care or prescribed treatment. And lastly, moderation is key. Excessive use can severely disrupt your electrolyte and acid levels. Treat it with respect. So the next time you see that simple box of baking soda in your kitchen, remember it's far more than a baking ingredient. It's a scientifically supported, potentially powerful tool for your well-being. Used thoughtfully, it really can be a hidden gem. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried baking soda for any of these purposes? Share your experiences in the comments and let's learn from each other. If you enjoyed this video and want to uncover more everyday health discoveries, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching and keep exploring.